We're a walk-in and running store in South Asheville. We're unusual that if you buy a pair of shoes from us, even if they're dirty in the first 30 days, you can come back and swap it out for another pair of shoes. And good shoes are really great. Like if you have a bad pair of shoes, you could get knee problems or hip problems. A good pair of shoes, I always say new shoes are cheaper than surgery, and I said that before I started working at Cotorex. Support's really important. Like if people are overpronating, you can easily, I've helped correct people who weren't very much knee pain and hip pain, and we just put them in the right shoe, and it was gone within weeks.
Yes, I'm a chiropractor. I've been practicing for 13 years here in Asheville, North Carolina, and the benefit of checking your spine is to check the posture, check the alignment, to make sure all the bones are in their proper place, because when bones are out of alignment, it puts pressure on the nervous system and can interfere with the body's ability to function, to heal, and to do what you need to do. Well, let's see, we've only been here about an hour and 15 minutes, and I've already seen about a dozen students come through with a lot of aches and pains, and they do not know that there are things that they can do naturally to help themselves. So I'm glad to be here so that we can educate them and let them know that there are options.
And every spring and fall we do Fit for the Cure, and what it is every bra fitting you do, we donate $2 to our local community outreach programs for breast cancer awareness, and then for every bra you purchase we donate another $2. So there's no purchase necessary to make a difference. It's very important to have the right fitting bra because 90% of your support's coming from your band. It's one of the contributing factors to breast cancer if you don't have the proper support, and 8 out of 10 women wear the wrong bra size.